Hello, good day everyone. Today's video tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to edit photos and images and remove the background. So let's start. So supposing you wanted to edit your picture, like for instance, you are having a jungle theme and you wanted to put some pictures of animals, just like monkeys. So you can put it in and you can insert picture. So for example, I'm going to click on inserts, look for a picture of the saved animal. So I got the monkey in here. So my picture has a background. So if I'm going to put it on the theme, doesn't look good because of the background. So what I'm going to do is to remove the background so it suits to my theme. So all you have to go to the format found at the top menu of the PowerPoint. Click on the formats, then you have all the editing tools in here. The most common and the easiest way is to remove background found on the left corner of the screen. Click on the remove background, then your image will turn into purple. That means that part of the picture will be removed. So you can adjust so that the desired part of the picture that you wanted to include will be included. So for instance, I have already this monkey picture. Then I could just click on the background page. Now I have my monkey. So if I want the monkey to be put it in the top of the tree or on the ground without already the background, if you had to add more of the pictures, you can do the same. So for instance, you also wanted to, again, to format the picture. You wanted to adjust color. You can put some artistic designs like shading. You can go into some menus of picture styles in here. If you want to put some frames and some other options like bringing it forward and backward. Okay, again, I put a frame, I go to the format, I can remove the background, adjust until the purple gets out, then I got it here. So finally, I have my picture. So I wanted to remove that background again, remove. Okay, so here we go, no more background. I can put it on the top of the tray or in the ground. I hope you have learned something today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Till next time, bye.